Hey, what is up? And welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel. As you can see, I've grown my beard. I should probably shave it for YouTube. But today, I'm gonna be showing you an amazing high protein pudding recipe that's gonna give you 655 calories. So this is an awesome recipe. If you wanna get in more protein during the day, you wanna bump up your carbohydrate intake, and you wanna get a very high protein snack that's gonna allow you to build more lean muscle this month. So let me just show you the ingredients right now. So here's the ingredients for today. You're gonna need one medium banana. I've got a large one, but don't worry if you've got a medium one, that's cool. You're gonna need some honey. You're gonna need one green apple, and you're gonna need a tub of Greek yogurt, preferably full-fat Greek yogurt. That's gonna contain more calories. So get yourself a tub of Greek yogurt. You can use any flavor. I'm using vanilla bean, which is really good. And you're gonna need yourself some whey protein. We're only gonna use 1 scoop for today's recipe. So get yourself a tub of whey protein, and that's gonna boost up the protein intake in this recipe today. So let me put up the whole recipe right now. So I'm gonna put up the recipe on your screen here. You can take a screenshot. Make sure to save this recipe for later when you're in the kitchen and you've got all your ingredients. Just pull out this recipe list and you can make your own high protein pudding. So I'm gonna set up this tripod and I'm just gonna pretty much run through it, and I'm gonna create this recipe and show you how it looks at the end. All right, so here's what you gotta do to build your high protein pudding. Grab a nice big bowl and dollop your Greek yogurt with a big tablespoon and put it on a scale, and make sure to weigh it so you get the correct measurements. So I'm weighing it here to hit 150 grams. And then let's take your whey and get 1 scoop of whey protein and put it in your high protein pudding. Mix it up. Make sure to keep mixing it until it's a very smooth consistency and it looks like pudding. So here I'm just mixing it up, making sure it's a nice smooth consistency and it looks like a pudding and just doesn't look thick and chunky. So grab your medium banana, get a knife, and just slice it into nice thin slices on top of your protein pudding here. So as you can see here, I'm just pretty much slicing it and putting it on top of the already made pudding. And now we're going to get the honey. Get 1 tablespoon, open up your honey and get 1 tablespoon of honey. Also make sure to weigh it as well. So dollop it and drizzle it over your protein pudding. Now get a slicing board and put your green apple on top. Get a knife, slice your apple in halves and then quarters, and then get the core out with the knife. So make sure to cut the core out and the seeds as well. Then slice up your apple into nice small chunks. So here I'm just getting the core out and slicing it into smaller pieces, so when you put it in your pudding, it's a lot easier to eat. All right, so lastly, put in your apple chunks into your protein pudding. Again, mix it up, and there you go, your high protein pudding. All right, so voila, we have our high protein pudding. I've put some honey in here, I put some banana in here, and also a full green apple. This is 655 calories. And it looks a bit messy, but it's really tasty when you mix everything up and just have this as a snack. You can have this for breakfast. You can have this as a post-workout meal. It's really good. If you're a chocolate fan, you can use whatever flavor whey you want to use. Super tasty, super high in protein, and this is gonna help you boost your calories and build more lean muscle this month. So hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot of recipes over the upcoming months for you to build more muscle during quarantine and give you some ideas of what to make at home to build more muscle and some tasty meals that you can have. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.